Oh, hi YouTubers, this is Howard from Cyber Times LLC, YouTube Creators Forum, and I'm going to talk about your intro video, which is very important. And I'm an electrical engineer with a background in computers and the internet. So stay tuned after this promo. Okay, I'm back here. Today I want to show you how important intro video is. And intro videos start up for new visitors. We'll see an intro video if you haven't set it up, obviously. If you're a returning viewer, you won't see it, but the intro video is really important. Let me show you my latest intro video, and this is where you ask for subscribers to tell them you're going to have more of this stuff and please come back. So okay, I downsized my video and I'm going to show you what a new visitor sees when they go to my YouTube channel, Cyber Times LLC. There it is. Hi guys, this is Howard from Cyber Times LLC, YouTube Creators Forum.
Who are you?
Well, I'm Al. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If it's Sunday, it's Meet the Press. PewDiePie! We're going to take this drone up. At the end, I ask people to subscribe, and that's really important. And you want to keep it fairly short. Mine is maybe a little bit longer. I might have to cut it down. It's like a little over a minute, but maybe 30 seconds would be good. And I just made up clips of some of the videos and some of the types of videos that I do, including drone videos and puppet parodies. And I'm going to show you how you set it up. And here's, first of all, you create your video using whatever video editor you're using. I use Adobe Premiere Pro CS6. The latest versions of Adobe products are in the cloud. You can subscribe. I have an older version and it's working great. Going to customize my channel. What you do is you create your video, then you upload it like you normally do, and then after you upload it, you can make your thumbnail, you put your description in, you can put information about yourself in the description. So the next thing you do is you take your cursor and over in the corner, just above that first video, you see for returning subscribers or for new visitors. You click on for new visitors. It brings up the old video, and you click on the edit button over in the right hand corner. Here, if you don't have a trailer, you add a trailer. If you have one, you click remove it, and then you add the trailer. And that's all you do. And the next time a new visitor comes to your channel, they'll see that trailer. Make sure you ask for people to subscribe. If you like what you see, please subscribe. The subscribe button is right over there where my hand is pointing. And if you subscribe and you have a YouTube channel, I'd be glad to evaluate your channel and let me know how you're doing, and I'll answer you. Please leave your information in the comments below in this video. Thanks very much.